With the end of the season arriving, I decided to invite my team for a trip to the snow. Big wave surfing is not a lifestyle, it's my life. I arrived to Austria early to make sure I had something special for them to enjoy.
Deixa eu deixar gravar este momento.
So here we are, at this cozy hotel in Ramsau, very close to Schladming. Next morning we went to Schladming really early to get our snowboarding gear and head to the Dachstein. Some of the guys are already quite experienced in snowboarding, but for others, first time. This is gonna be a good one. This is going to be a great experience for my team. We are first-time snowboarders in one of the highest mountains in Austria. Being so far up in the mountains, the weather can play big tricks on you. And after a good morning, it started snowing and got really windy. We still have a lot to see and a few things to try. This was a day to remember for sure.
Worst wipeout could have been an XXL wipeout of the year. That was gnarly though. I really enjoyed that. Perhaps the best ride of the day.
We know how to have a good time together. Tomorrow, back to the mountain.